Are you struggling in solving out the list of heading? This video for you. Must watch this video. In this video you will get 4 strong strategy to get a correct answer of a list of heading, and that will definitely help you to identify a correct answer. So must watch this video. So hello student, this is Mayank. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Firstly subscribe my channel and also like the video. Apart from that, also share it with any IELTS student. So let's start. Student, here are our paragraphs to solve the list of heading. So firstly, what we have to do before solving out the question, let's talk about strategy first, then we will solve out the question. Okay, so our first strategy to mark out the keywords. You don't have to read paragraph first, just you have to mark out the keywords of all the headings, so that you will have a idea what answer we will get and what the topic we have to identify in the paragraph. So firstly, you have to mark out each and every unique keyword of each heading. After that, in our second strategy, when we move towards the paragraph, firstly read the paragraph. If you are not able to understand that paragraph, just check the repetition of words. Like, you will not get a same word in that paragraph, just you have to identify the name of particular word. Like, if there will be a advantage word in the heading, you have to identify benefit, positive, these kind of alternatives of that word, so that you will confirm that will be the correct heading for that paragraph. So this is a main strategy which we have to use. Secondly, if this strategy will not work, there will be another strategy. Like, if in the paragraph there will be any kind of discourse markers like however, but, whereas, while, so you should be alert on that time. When there will be these kind of words, you should definitely be alert and have to concentrate on your paragraph more. Okay, like whenever you have these kind of words, earlier statement, previous statement will be eliminated by the connector which you have encountered, like a however. Like if we will take an example, I like tea, however I prefer coffee. So जो मैंने इसमें बोला, however के बाद जो मैंने लाइन बोली वो मेरी करेक्ट होगी, जो मैंने however से पहले लाइन बोली वो मेरी गलत होगी, वो मैंने एलिमिनेट कर दी है कनेक्टर लगा करके however. So this is the same play. Like whenever you will find discourse markers in your paragraph, so next line will be show your correct answer. So there are two main strategy which you have find. Next one, whenever you are reading the paragraph, just take a main idea of the paragraph and then just mark out and make your own heading. When you will make your own heading, either that will be positive or negative, just eliminate other headings and the keywords that you had marked, then eliminate one by one. If that your heading will be matched with your keywords, so that will be your correct answer. So this is a game. Now we will see practical here. This is a paragraph and here are our headings. So firstly you have to just mark out the keywords. Our first heading, the difficulty of proving that a service is still necessary. डिफ़िकल्ट आया, इसमें नेगेटिव टोन आई, हम इस जगह जो है माइनस का निशान लगाएंगे, जैसे कि हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं डिफ़िकल्टी वर्ड आ चुका है इसमें. ओके, इसके कीवर्ड जो मार्क करेंगे, डिफ़िकल्टी आई है, सर्विस स्टिल नेसेसरी, इम्पोर्टेंट है. सेकेंड हमारी हेडिंग आएगी अ ग्रोइंग रोल इन हेल्पिंग पीपल यूज टेक्नोलॉजी. अ ग्रोइंग रोल इन हेल्पिंग पीपल use technology. Why libraries are becoming less popular with young people. Reasons आएंगे यहाँ पे, why आ गया. हमारी next heading आ जाती है यहाँ पे, a move towards space with several different functions. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास यहाँ पे आ जाता है द चेंजिंग डेफिनेशन ऑफ लाइब्रेरी प्रोवाइड्स। द चेंजिंग डेफिनेशन ऑफ लाइब्रेरी प्रोवाइड्स service designed for wide range of users. The importance of financial supports from private companies. Next, different futures depending on local circumstances. So these are our heading. Just mark out the keywords. Let's move towards the paragraphs. So our first paragraph here. Read, for a century, libraries were primarily places where people could consult collection of printed books. Their buildings were often designed around shelf reading rooms and a quiet study area. The arrival of digital technology has changed this traditional model. Although printed books remain important, many libraries now provide access to electronic resources, database, digital catalogs, the modern library, these kind of things which you have read. Okay, now move towards our headings. Check the difficulty of proving that service is still necessary. ऐसी कोई इसमें बात नहीं हुई है. A growing role people, इसमें थोड़ी टेक्नोलॉजी की बात हुई है पर इसमें हेल्प हुई है कहीं पे, हेल्प चेक करेंगे. Arrival of has चेंज किया भाई इसने, अल्टरनेट कर दिया. Although printed book remain important, देखो remain स्टिल स्टूल वाला मेरे को इसमें थोड़ा वो लग भी रहा है. इसमें वैसे डिफ़िकल्टी है, टेक्नोलॉजी वाला इसमें एलिमिनेट हो जाता है. वाई लाइब्रेरीज आर बिकमिंग लेस पॉपुलर, यंग पीपल, इसमें कोई बात नहीं है. टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ हो सकता था, अगर इसमें टेक्नोलॉजी वर्ड होता तो हमारा ये आंसर हो सकता था. उसके बाद हम फोर्थ की तरफ चलते हैं. मूव टुवर्ड्स स्पेस विद सेवरल डिफरेंट फंक्शन, कोई स्पेसिस किसी में कोई बात नहीं है. द चेंज डेफिनेशन ऑफ व्हाट अ लाइब्रेरी प्रोवाइड्स. व्हाट आर लाइब्रेरी प्रोवाइड्स चेंज हुआ ना, यहाँ पे आ गया हमारे पास अल्टरनेटिव. टेक्नोलॉजी हैज़ चेंज द ट्रेडिशनल ऑल द प्रिंटेड बुक्स मैनी लाइब्रेरीज नाउ प्रोवाइड. दिस लाइन गिविंग अस आंसर यू कैन सी हियर. If you want to learn and if you want to read another headings, you can also read service design for wide range of users की में कोई बात नहीं हुई. Importance of financial support private companies की बात नहीं हुई. Different future dependent future की इसमें कोई बात नहीं हुई. तो हमारा आंसर क्या हो जाता है यहाँ पे, सीधा सीधा फिफ्थ आंसर विल बी द राइट आंसर ऑफ ए पैराग्राफ. ओके, if you have any doubt you can write it in a comment and I will definitely respond it. Okay, now next move towards the paragraph B. The expansion of library services has not meant that physical space have become unnecessary. In many communities, the library have redesigned their interiors to include discussion areas, computer rooms, and flexible spaces for group activities. Some had reduced the number of fixed bookshelves in order to create areas that can be used for lectures, workshops, or community events. The building itself is increasingly expected to support several different activities. इसमें कई सारी जो है एक्टिविटीज़ की बात हुई है कि ये बहुत सारी चीज़ों को जो सपोर्ट करेगा. तो हमको कोई ऐसा इसमें जो है वर्ड अपना या हेडिंग हमको यहाँ पे देखनी पड़ेगी. डिफ़िकल्टी प्रोवाइडिंग नो. A growing role of in helping people use technology no. Why library are becoming less popular with young people, इसमें कोई बात नहीं हुई. डिफरेंट फ्यूचर की बात नहीं, फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट, प्राइवेट कंपनीज की बात, सर्विस डिज़ाइन, ये तो हमारा एलिमिनेट हो चुका है. सो a move towards spaces with several different function, different activities. रेपिटेशन यहाँ पे आ चुकी है, वर्ड की आई है यहाँ पे. तो हमारी क्या है, एक पहली स्ट्रेटजी यहाँ पे काम कर चुकी है और सेकंड भी यहाँ पे काम करेगी, एलिमिनेशन मेथड, विच आई ऑल्सो डिस्कस्ड विद यू. सो यू कैन easily see here several different activities. Got it? So fourth will be the right answer for paragraph B. Now move towards the paragraph C. Libraries have also become important providers of a digital access. People who do not own reliable computers or cannot afford high-speed internet may depend on public facilities for online services. Staff can sometimes help users to complete online forms, search for information, or develop basic digital skills. This role became particularly visible as a more government and commercial service moved online, creating difficulties for a people with limited technology experience. इसमें डिजिटल की जो है बात हुई है, तो हमारा इसमें क्या आंसर जाएगा, हम इसमें देखेंगे। इसमें हमारा आंसर जाएगा द डिफ़िकल्टी ऑफ प्रोवाइडिंग, कोई डिफ़िकल्टी इसमें बात नहीं है, इसमें डिजिटल की बात हुई जो भी हुआ है। वाइल्ड लाइब्रेरीज आर बिकम यंग पीपल की इसमें कोई बात नहीं, फ्यूचर की इसमें कोई बात नहीं हुई, फाइनेंशियल प्राइवेट कंपनीज की बात नहीं, वाइड रेंज ऑफ यूज़र्स की इसमें कोई बात नहीं हुई है। ये दोनों हमारे जो हैं लिमिटेड हो चुके हैं। सो हमारे पास क्या बचता है यहाँ पे, सेकंड, a growing role in helping people use technology. How? Libraries have also become important providers of digital people who do not. आप यहाँ पे क्लियरली देख सकते हैं, रिप्लेसमेंट चेक कर सकते हैं, रेपिटेशन आप चेक कर सकते हैं। किसकी रेपिटेशन हुई है यहाँ पे, डिजिटल की टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ, कंप्यूटर की टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ, ऑनलाइन की टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ। दीज आर द रेपिटेशन, यू विल नॉट फाइंड a proper and exact word, you will find a replacement like a paraphrasing. So this will be the key and strategy for identifying the correct answer in list of heading. So I think these practice are sufficient for you, and the next paragraph I think you should be solved out. You can just take out the headings and you have to identify it yourself. Okay, it will be your test and I will provide answer of these all headings in the description. You can check it. You can just take the paragraph, you can pause the video and then you will identify it. Okay, see okay, now it's your own homework. Which strategy I had discussed with you, just you have to implement it while solving out the question list of heading that may be considered as the hardest part of reading module in IELTS. So these are some strategy which I find quite interesting and that will also help you to boost up your score, and you will definitely get your desired score whatever you want. So thank you for watching this video and getting some new knowledge from me. Goodbye, thank you.